in less than 1,500 feet. The pilot rotates approximately 30 degrees nose up to climb to 500 feet, demonstrating the excellent takeoff and climb performance, and showing also the capability to clear obstacles and reach a safe altitude out of the enemy. 2013 Spartan demo program is a Schneider turn at 200 knots speed and a 2.3 G factor. Here it comes, ladies and gentlemen, lights on. In front of you, this Schneider turn highlights its incredible turning capability. I'm talking about 60 degrees in only 150 meters turning rate. This particular condition, the aircraft weight is about 18 tons. Because this demanding maneuver requires a very, very high coordination of stick and pedals to maintain direction and mainly to avoid altitude loss. Repositioning the aircraft for the next flight past, after climbing up to 3,500 feet, the Spartan comes back on the display line, increasing the speed from the left to the right, to perform another breathtaking maneuver. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go, the looping. Wow! Pulling back the control stick to climb up to 3,700 feet, perfectly drawing a new vertical circle. This is a 3G factor maneuver, ending with a right-left turn at 200 knots, which is the speed requested that will allow maritime patrolling. Between 2005 and 2013, 12 aircraft have been delivered by Alenia to the Italian Air Force with the relative logistic support. In front of us, pointing the ground, the Spartan gains altitude for performing a mix of two common aerobatics maneuver, half a looping and a quarter of cloverleaf. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what we call the ribbon. Starting with 250 knots speed, 60 degrees nose up, and once at the top, right roll and exit at 45 degrees in the opposite direction. This maneuver is performed undergoing the screw to a stress of 2.7 G factor. The Alenia C27J Spartan is the only cargo aircraft in the world capable to perform aerobatics like this, and we're also proud for having just been awarded for the second time at the Royal International Tattoo in Fairport in UK for Best Overall Display with the As the Crow Flies prize. Now, repositioning after a John Deere return performed at 180 knots, underlining once again the amazing low-speed maneuverability of this cargo aircraft. Another opportunity during this display to have a glance of the 22-feet wingspan of the Spartan from the Italian Flight Center is offered by the next flight past, the so-called knife edge past. Try to figure out that in this moment the co-pilot sitting on the right is literally hung on the handles, defensive aid subsystem. In this phase, the C27J Spartan is repositioning for an airdrop demonstration. Here it comes. Ramp and cargo door fully open. The aircraft is now flying at the lowest possible speed, only 100 knots, ladies and gentlemen. Try to imagine right now paratroopers like being dropped down from the backside of the Spartan for a tactical operation. You have to know that the Spartan can airlift 9 tons of material, including vehicles, as well as injured personnel with medical staff and equipment. With loading capability at the top of its class, with modern cockpits and outstanding avionics, capable of autonomous operation from and to unprepared remote fields. Roll under, ladies and gentlemen, in front of us. As you can see, the roll under as well, the John Deere return allows the crew to make a very quick change of direction to enter in the final phase of the Spartan demo program 2013, which is the steep approach. This aircraft is extremely strong and offers the most modern features that allow it to perform a full range of missions effectively, efficiently, and reliably with a high degree of survivability. The wingspan of the Spartan is 28.7 meters, the length is 22.7 meters, it has a maximum speed of 590 kilometers per hour. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, from the left side of the display until gently touching the ground and stop in less than 300 meters. Not least, the C27J Spartan can also be the first day of Italian Air Force Flight Center's participation to the Radom International Air Show. We really hope you enjoyed this flight display and we look forward to meeting you again tomorrow morning for another amazing flying demonstration. Ciao a tutti, arrivederci.
Dziękujemy bardzo za